What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back to February TV, your positive culture channel. Let me roll these windows up because there's a lot of wind noise and stuff. Today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be installing an LED conversion kit by Diode Dynamics. This bad boy right here, dude. So, yeah, we're going to try it out. Right now, I'm heading to my homie Christian. I call him Carbon Fiber Christian because he's the man responsible for wrapping some of my interior pieces. If you guys have not seen those videos, make sure you check them out. We actually plan on doing some other installs on the Genesis Coupe, some more content on the way. I was gonna do this at my crib, but I ran out of time. Was working on some other stuff. Yeah, we're gonna get to his place and make things a little bit easier because he has the pry tools that make this job a lot easier. It's already easy, but you want to be safe with not breaking some of the components when it comes to the light, delicate plastics in the dome pieces and whatnot. So we're gonna get to his place and we're gonna go ahead, grab the tools up, and I'm gonna show you how it's done piece by piece. So let's jump into it and get started. Basic for the trunk, the first thing we're starting off with is the trunk light, which is like a basic plastic clip thing or whatever. So just to get in there, it's a little bit of finagling.
So my nails don't work.
Yeah. So yeah, let me help you. You do that, and then I'll pull it down. There we go. And then it comes out like that. So bam. That's the trunk light. Try not to burn your fingers when you take that out. And we're gonna go ahead and get our one that's labeled trunk. Makes it very easy for you to have that ready for them. All right, so license plate, the rear license plate. There's two of them. Let me take the camera off the thing and show you guys. Make it a little bit easier. All right. So, as you can see, this one has tabs on each side. You go for the interior tab and you try to get that down. Just pull that tab, bam, comes right out.
Well, how come they didn't give no extra wire to this thing? God damn it.
I know, right? It's like really short, you guys. So it's like literally no room to get your finger in between the piece and the bulb, the thing that holds the bulb. So it's literally like this much and you can't pull on it. Pliers, just to twist it. It's slightly twist and there we go, bam.
Yeah, I was trying to get sponsored.
There we go, bam. So, this right here, you're gonna pull from this area right here. You can kind of try to weasel in here from any other spot, but you're not gonna pull from right here. You're gonna pull from right here to get these off. And these, I do these so much, it's ridiculous. Get in here, watch. Actually, I usually use my knife. It popped right off, yeah. But be careful, because what I did is, like, be careful with it not to break these tabs or whatever. But it literally popped off real easy. So you want to get right, like, in this area and pop this loose. But do not break these or whatever. Just be careful. Usually, I use a different thing. I usually don't use this. I usually use, like, I have a little pocket knife, and I get in there. But that one's very easy also. And to put it back in, this goes first up in here. And then the tabs go 1, 2, and that's for that. All right, you guys, so for this portion, for these right here, I'm actually gonna do something different. I'm gonna take the footage of us pulling it out to show you how it's done. But basically what we did was we found there's like a little tab on the inside of here. It's a pain in the butt to get it down. You gotta give it some force and you feel like you're gonna tear the freaking headliner down because it takes so much force to pull this down. But don't fret, you can do it. You can do it, I believe in you. Like I said, you can use a screwdriver, or you can use one of these pull tools or whatever. I need to order a set off of Amazon, so I just have it, period. But yeah, don't fret, you guys. So I'm gonna show you the clip and then move on to the next thing. Yeah, I don't know why this is so hard, but you see how much force it took for... You didn't break it, it's fine. It just takes a lot of force to get that one out. There we go. Bam, take the whole unit out. And then there's the bulb. And this the last one.
it didn't fly.
There we go. There's the bulb. Get the new one. Now that bulb is a little bit bigger than the stock one, but don't trip out. All you gotta do is bend that back just a little bit just to get the other one in, because you'll be like, oh my god, it's too big, it doesn't fit. That's what she said. Yeah, but yeah, it fits
Right there.
all right. Bam.
Why is it so damn short, bro? Like, god damn it.
There you go. Bam, just line it up. Man, it's bright. Just pop it back into place and we're done. So yeah, to get into here, let me show you guys a little trick. It's right here to get into there. One thing you can do to make your life a little bit easier is to actually disconnect your actual glove box. All right, so to disconnect the glove box from its little thing, you pull this tab all the way up like that, and you see how the rubber piece is kind of protruding. You do that on that side, and then you do it on this side. You kind of might have to do it both at the same time because it snaps into place real easy. So you kind of pull it up like that. You see like that, and that one snapped into place already. So you gotta hold that one. Me and my friend, we did this at the same time. Come on. So I'm holding that side. Let me get this side loose. There we go. See how it just pops loose when you lift it? And then you bring it down and bam. Your glove box is kind of disconnected. And then that's how you change your interior filter, whatever. I need to change this. I need to buy one and change it. And then you have complete access to the glove box bulb. There you go, bam. Super easy. Pull that piece out, and the bulb is in there. Bam.
You see those things wasn't working? It's still good. Maybe your fuse went out, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. We don't find out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, my glove box fuse. Yeah. So at least I showed you guys how to do it. We'll check the fuses right now.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that one looks later, but yeah. Yeah, we got to replace the fuse for my glove box. Look how bright that is, man. You can see all the junk crammed in there. I need to clean that out. There's way too much stuff in that glove box. But yeah, it works. Hey, wait a minute. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative as usual. This is one of these short videos where I kind of take you to one of the small processes. I'm just trying to help you guys with these small little things like this, dude. Basically, that's what I'm doing to the car, man. This is a budget build, and I'm trying to do something to help you guys that don't have a whole lot of cash laying around, you know. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my content, and I have plenty more awesome things coming for this car. Woo-wee. The next couple ones I'm putting out is gonna be, I'm gonna have fun. I'm just saying, I'm just gonna have fun with the van top mirror that I just installed. I'm gonna do the install for that. I'm working on the review for that, getting the feel for it and everything. And we're gonna have fun with it, dude. Seeing people's reactions and having the camera recording people, dude. Just wait, just wait. So, just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass is half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe, and remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend.